Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your Tina in the house. So guys, I have some carrot over here. I washed them and rubbed them as much, but the carrot I look like whole. So anyhow, we're gonna make some carrot punch. All right, that one you look like it wingy, but anyhow, this is how they're looking, guys. You can scrape them more, you can wash them more, but we wash them really good. Okay, you do what you want with your carrot, but this is how they're looking, and kind of withered up like yourself here. So we're gonna make some Jamaican carrot punch, not juice, punch. So we're not gonna throw away none of them here. All right, so over here I have a few cups of hot water, boiling water, and I'm just gonna cut up these and make them boil. Okay, so please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, guys. Love up on me and I love up on you. All right, let's get into it. Just go ahead and cut it up in small pieces. It doesn't matter how, because just cut it up so you can blend. All right, anyway, go already. My mom gave me a recipe too. Maybe I make one that too. Maybe I make it today or the next time. I don't know. I will tell you the recipe because guys, we're gonna use it. So put it over here in the hot water. One more. Just do one. I'm afraid Alright, I'm gonna put it over here and I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna do about 6 or 7 carrots. Alright, I'm gonna cut up these and then I'm gonna come back. Alright my peeps, so the carrot cooled somewhat. I'm gonna blend juice and all. We get a spoon. And then I'm gonna just put some of the carrot in here. I'm just gonna blend it in 2 portions or so. And if there is not enough water, you can always add some more water. Okay? Or you can put some almond milk or something like that. Alright. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna blend away. Whee! Blend this until it becomes creamy and smooth. You can go ahead now, you can add it now, you can add it later, it doesn't matter what. I'm just gonna add it now. I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons vanilla, little pinch of cinnamon, not much, about ½ teaspoon. This is my mixed essence. I'm gonna put that top, like quarter or less, and some nutmeg, right? About ½ teaspoon or so. Alright, and that's it. Then we're just gonna blend this, and I'm gonna blend the rest, and then we're gonna sweeten it. I'm making it for my family, so we're gonna do some milk, condensed milk, or you can use almond milk. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. So blend until it becomes creamy, smooth. There you go. Ooh, and it's still warm. Look there, guys. Really. Ooh, it smells so good. It's like puree. Alright, we're gonna pour it here. And I'm gonna blend up the next set. And then with water and everything again, guys. Don't waste the water. Goodness is here. This point, guys, if you use almond milk, regular milk, you can pour some in there, right, to make enough. Ooh, put all of that. That's about 2 cups, a little bit. And we're just gonna blend, and then I'm gonna sweeten it with some brown sugar or regular sugar. Alright, that's it, guys. You don't have to really do it any longer. Alright. I'll just bring this down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, now guys, you're gonna pour everything in here. Stir it and nice. That's it. Today my husband used condensed milk, so I'm gonna use some condensed milk. You can just put some brown sugar in that one if you want, guys. It's up to you. I'm gonna put about half can. And then you can put, if you want it sweeter, you put a little bit of brown sugar. Alright, but I don't think I want any more sugar in this, right? We're gonna serve this over some crushed ice. And you can also put some dragon. If you want to take it further, through one Supergen, you can put some dragon. Little rum, whatever you want. You want anything else, or you just want to leave it like that?
Leave it like that.
Alright, my husband said just leave it like this. But you can put some dragon or a little rum in it if you want, alright? Sweeten it to taste. And see? I think you can take a little bit more nutmeg. And I want to put a little bit more vanilla. Just for flavor. And I'm going to serve a glass over some crushed ice. Guys, if you want, you can put some sea moss into it too. I put a lot of stuff in mine, but today my husband said just leave it simple. Alright, we're going to get some ice. I have this fancy measuring cup, guys. And just pour some in here. Something like that. And I'm gonna get some ice. Not too much. Let's pour some in this one first. I will clean that up after, guys. And then this one. There you go. Alright guys, this is it. Yeah, really simple and easy. Alright guys, my husband gonna taste it. Go, taste that, take this small glass and taste it. He doesn't want to be in the camera, guys. Oh my, I didn't tell you to finish it. I just said taste it. Guys, you see this taste? Hey, what?
Perfect.
He said it's perfect. It's not too sweet? No. Alright, say not too sweet. Alright, guys. Being taste a 3/4 glass. Alright. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.